गव्हर्नमेंट समज सारको आसलो आनी गव्हर्नमेंटाचे मिनिस्टर सारके आसले ना हें जावपाचें नासलें. हें आतां कशें जाता कित्याक गव्हर्नमेंट सपोर्ट करता. ते म्हणटा आमी 1 लाख पे केलो GCZ बँक आमी जाले आमी कितेंय करूं शकता बीच तेंचो. तुमचो स्टँड आतां कांय ना. सरकार तुमी म्हणटा सरकाराक घालतले मिनिस्टराक घालतले वॉटेवर तुमचो स्टँड कांय ना. Being a director, you are a director of this fisheries department.
So we will.
You are experienced. So what is your stand? I don't want the government stand. I want your stand.
In case they have given permission, that they should not give permission just like that without even informing the department of these particular areas. And actually, sir, certain areas are designated for water sports and all by the government. Like tourism, tourism has designated certain areas.
So this area is designated?
This area may not be designated.
That's what I'm saying. So because this area is fish breeding area. Yeah, how can this be designated?
So we'll take it up, sir, with both GCZMA and tourism, maybe even the collector.
So which are the areas in Tiswadi which are there for water sports?
That is in the gazette, sir. I'm not ready.
Get the gazette from your office.
From tourism department.
No, but
it's not.
It is not submitted to.
It's not done by.
No, it is not submitted to your. आडमरे घेऊन यो आमकां पळोवंक जाय गॅजेट हाड विच आर द प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज ते हाड गॅजेट हाड हे अनेक इश्यू आसा. आतां आमचो बामोलीम बीच जो बीच आसा तेच्या फाटल्यान जो वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी जाता तुमकां खबर आसा.
Bamboli we might have given NOC.
You have given the NOC.
Must have
you
given.
have taken the NOC from the union.
I don't know which area you're talking about.
Behind the Grand Hyatt Hotel. You have given the NOC.
I don't know. We'll have to verify.
Because there is strong objection.
Okay, sir.
I don't know how you all are granting NOCs without awareing the local fisher folks.
It is a water sports activity. I have to find out.
It is going on. This is our strong objection for that. And, some private from outside somebody is operating it. And then that is also the fish breeding area. Shiridam, Bamolim, Naushi, where it is there, Kakra is there, Oshel is there, then Donapal, Karantali, entire stretch is there.
Yeah, so usually at Kakra and all we have given permission, sir, but it is for, I think, for sailing, not for boat motor. For sailing. Sailing usually.
So Bamolim you have given permission.
Without onboard motor, without the motor, it is given, sir. And it was given. Now I don't know. I have to verify. So it is really given by the officers at their level. So I just find out.
What you all are doing? What you all are doing is that you all are तुमका कोणी येतलो दिल्लीच्या तुमच्या हांगा तेकेतलो तेन्ना तुमी परमिशन ग्रांट करता. तुम्ही गेले नुस्तेकारां कडेन विचारपाक की बाबा थंय परमिशन ग्रांट करपाचें काय ना तें. हांगा ब्रीडिंग एरिया आसा म्हणून.
I don't know, sir, what you are talking about, but I will verify.
No, it is coming in my constituency.
I'll verify, sir.
It is coming in my constituency, and I'm having a strong objection on that.
Okay, sir. It can be revoked also because it is not.
But how? I don't know. I want to see right now. I want to see whether you have granted a permission for that.
They will find out, sir. And Bamboli
tourism department.
No.
NOC दिला.
बाबा मागे एक सांग. तुम्ही NOC दिना? दिता मरे. आता म्हणटा टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट दिता म्हणून.
लायसन्स टुरिझम डिपार्टमेंट दिता.
लायसन्स टुरिझम मग तुम्ही NOC दिता मरे. म्हाका तेच जाय. तुम्ही NOC दिले काय ना ती जाय. हांव हांगा येयला. हांव टुरिझमाची विचारपाक येवना. हांव टुरिझमान वयतलो विचारपाक. तूं म्हाका हांगा तेंका दिला काय ना ती म्हाका घेवन यो.
Earlier at Grand Hyatt, sir, we had given permission for sailing.
Okay.
Without motor, and only one boat with motor for their safety. That we had given with the approval. I mean, after discussion with the local fishermen there. That is long back. So now I don't know. I'm not really sure because now the NOCs are issued at the superintendent's level only. So I'll just find out, sir.
Basic कितें आसा. ग्रँड हायताच्या फाटल्यान रिटेनिंग वॉलां 3 लीगल तेजेर आमी कंप्लेन घातल्या. दॅट इज मॅटर इज गोईंग ऑन NGT ऑल्सो. इट इज गोईंग ऑन इन हायकोर्ट एज वेल. प्लस आता टुरिझमान तेजे स्टॉप ऑर्डर हाडल्या आनी स्टॉप जाल्ले. तुम्ही एक दीस बसून फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंट फिशरीज मिनिस्टराक हांवें थंय लेटर केल्लें. तुम्ही एक दीस बसून हेज पर जे कंप्लेन आसा तुमची डिपार्टमेंट येवना. यू आर अ लिस्ट बॉदर. तुमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक कांयच पडलेलें ना. नुस्तेकार आसा, नुस्तेकाराक कितें जाता, नुस्तेकार मरता हें पडलेलें ना तुमकां. आणि तुम्ही परमिशन दिले म्हणटा पळय, हे परमिशन तुम्ही येवन सायडीर पयले कितें चल्लां थंय तें, हे तुम्ही सेलिंगाक दिला म्हणटा. बट what motorable boats, I have a evidence, I have live videos, I have photographs of that. What is going on over there? That's the reason I came over here. म्हाका जाय की बाबा तुम्ही परमिशन दिला काय ना ते, आणि दिवना जाल्यार तुम्ही एक्शन कित्याक घेयना तेंय कळपाक जाय म्हाका. तुमचे जो कोस्टल पुलीस आसपाक जाय ते कोस्टल पुलीस ना, तुमचे फिशरीजाक बोटी धरपाक जाय कोण येता कितें करता तें तुमचे सारकें ना. म्हणून डिपार्टमेंट आसा कित्याक? इतलो फंड तुमकां एलोकेट करता कित्याक लागून आसा? नुस्तेकारांक प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आसा काय ह्या व्हडले व्हडले कोण येता हॉटेलवाले येता जावं व्हडले व्हडले इव्हेंट करपाक येता तेंकां तुम्ही प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आसा? हें कळपाक जाय म्हाका. आनी हांव हें खोपून घेवपाक ना, पयलीं सांगता म्हाज्या मतदारसंघांत असली नाटकां चलपाची ना. इनलिगल ऑपरेशन आनी हे नुस्तेकारांक काबार करपाची ऑपरेशन हांव करपाक दिवपाक ना.
So far also we didn't get any this about this Bamboli beach area. So it's not.
No, that's what I'm saying. Every time MLA have to represent you all. What the officers are doing?
The fishermen have not reported
No.
anything.
I'm not talking about fishermen. I'm talking about officers. You all don't have fisheries officers?
Yes, sir, we have. But
So
they
what
have
they are
also
doing?
not objected.
No, what they are doing? What they are doing? Tell me. कित्याक लागून तांकां सॅलरी मेळटा? कित्याक लागून पगार मेळटा? आमदारांनी सदांच येवन हांवें करपाची दिया आमकां सॅलरी. हांवूय भोंवता फूल रावंड मारता गोंयभरात.
But the local fishermen have not objected to this area, sir. But many would have been.
Marshal, please.
Now, since we have received from you, sir.
Your objection is the other side.
If
Whether you'll have given a permission, you'll have to see the area. तुम्ही एरिया पळोवन तुम्ही पळोवपाक जाय फिश ब्रिडींग एरिया आसा काय ना ती, वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी आमी करपाक शकता काय ना ती. तुम्ही कोणाक विचारत ना नुस्तेकारान अबे तो आसा तू सांग विचार तुमकां विचारलेले तुमकां परमिशन दिवचे पयलीं विचारलेले विचारूंक ना तांकां फूल बेल्ट लागता कोणाक तुमी कांय विचारना. हाव
there are two associations there, sir. Usually we take them into confidence.
ऑब्जेक्शन घालेले जेन्ना आमी स्पोर्ट्स मार्किंग करता पळय शिरदना तेन्ना ऑब्जेक्शन घालेले शिरदना घालेले
कितें आसा हेच प्रॉब्लेम जाता. तुमी फिशरमॅन जे आसा तेंचे कडेन हें घेयना, कॉन्फिडन्सान घेयना.
No, usually when the department does, we take the fishermen into confidence.
Usually you are saying, but आता
No, now
for
this
example,
particular things, sir, I don't know. Even now.
for example, बांबोलीम तुम्ही चालले नुस्तेकारांना, तुम्ही रापणकारांक विचारले कारांजली ना. सो तुमकां आख्खो हो बेल्ट जो आसा मेजरली ST फिशर फोक्स आसा तांकां तुमी काबार करपाक सोदता अशें जालें न्हू हें. हे कोण हॉटेलवाले येयल्या कोण इव्हेंट काय तशें चलोवपाक दितले ते दिसा तेजे कडेन हांवें तो कोण who was operating, I had asked for the permissions. He didn't came up with the permission. So हें कशें चल्लां? तो भितूर घुसलो हॉटेलान आनी भायरूच सरोंक ना. मुनीर कसो घुसता पळय तसो भितूर घुसलो, भायर सरोंकूच ना. मागीर आमी कितें करपाचें? एवरी टायम MLA वचून थंय इंटरफियर जावचो पडटा, MLA वचून सांगचें पडटा. नाल्यार उरलो कितें म्हाका सिस्टम कित्याक आसा तो सिस्टम केलो काबार बंद करचें पडलें ऑफिसां. सिंपल गोष्ट न्हू. तुमचे ऑफिसर हॅज टू गो ऑन द साइट, दे हॅव टू सी वॉट हांगा लागीं आसा तुमकां 10 किलोमीटर नॉट इवन 10
We have a
किलोमीटर.
Kiswadi block, sir. It is here only functioning, and we have an officer who goes regularly to the
So what he is
to
doing?
the Kakra Bamboli area. In fact, I also had a meeting just 2 days back with them. They didn't bring up this issue, but actually we had called them for the illegal fishing activity. We had with the police also. Everyone was here, but they have not brought up any other issue. So usually we do bring them up.
मी सांगणार तुमचे कितें आसा.
मॅडम कितें जाता पळय आतां हे आमच्या डेली बेजीसार हे आतां वॉटर स्पोर्ट बाय करता आमकां हे आतां गव्हर्मेंट काम दिवंक शकनात आमकां. डेली बेजीसार तेवूय आमी आतां मारून उडयता. हिंगा आतां फीश ब्रिडींग करता हिंगा नावशे आतां आमी आतां कितें रेनी सिजनान तिंगा नुस्तें चड येता आमी थिंगाच वयता मारपाक चडशें. आतां हे वॉटर स्पोर्ट आमकां नुस्तें आतां तें सगळें धांवतलें धांवना आमी मागीर कितें करपाचें. हेचे आमी आतां हेच दोंडेर आहात नुस्त्याच्यात हे तुजो काबार जालें आमकां कांय ना. गव्हर्मेंट आमकां जॉब दिवपाकूच ना. आतां फिशर मिनिस्टर आहा तो एक्शन कांय घेवंक ना कांयच ना.
ना तुम्ही आमकां representation काय करू ना न्ही कितें आतां वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स करतात न्ही
हो
You had made a representation and
ना हांवें सांगता तुमचे ऑफिसर आसा त्यांचे राउंड मारून ड्युटी न्हू
it is but usually when an NOC is issued for the tourism, like how when we are for water sports activity, when they take the permission from us, we usually see in that area. And we also put a condition that they should not interfere with the fishing activity. So now whenever there are complaints, we revoke the this and we take it up with the tourism department also, that they should not permit certain things. Even in fact, even in that Bamboli area only, we have said that it should be only sailing because sailing doesn't have the motor and all.
म्हाका एक सांग
It's only with the wind.
स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी फिशरीज कॅन गो हँड इन हँड वांगडा वचपाक शकता
Like there are water sports activity happening in Kalangu in that area. Okay, so sometimes they do happen when the fishermen are in sync. When the fishermen actually discuss with them and all, if they are together, then it can be done. Okay, even sometimes the fishermen also are involved in the same activity.